Hello, in this lesson you will learn about the properties of a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. First, we need to recall that a perpendicular bisector intersects a line segment at its midpoint and it is perpendicular. Let's analyze this figure. So if we move the slider over here on the left to show the definition of the perpendicular bisector, we can see that as soon as we move the slider, we are forming the segment AB, and as you can see, the midpoint is located right in the middle, making the segment A, say D, equal to DB. And if you see again how the angle moves, we can see that the angles are congruent, forming a 90-degree angle. That's the definition of the perpendicular bisector. Then, to prove the perpendicular bisector theorem that states if a point lies on the perpendicular bisector of a line segment, then it is equidistant from the endpoints of the line segment. So here we have the basis of our theorem. We have the segment AB. We already identified that P is the perpendicular bisector, and our point on that bisector is point C. So if we say that C, let's say this point again was D, CD is the perpendicular bisector of the segment AB. We draw a line, segment AC and CB. We find that they are equal to each other. Therefore, any point on the perpendicular bisector of a segment is the same distance from each point.